Computer memory. Computer memory is the storage space in the computer where the data to be processed and the instructions required for processing are stored. The memory is divided into large number of small parts called cells. That is, they are organized into small parts called cells. Each cell stores a specific amount of data that is called a word. Data is organized into words which may consist of 4, 8, 16, 32, 64 or more bits which are treated as a single unit. You may think, what is a bit? Computers normally represent information in binary code, that is the sequences of zeros and ones. These are called as bits. Each location or a cell has a unique address. The capacity of computer's memory is determined by the number of bits per cell and the number of cells into which the memory is partitioned. That is, or else we can say the computer memory depends on how many bits may be stored in each cell and how many cells that are available. Memory is primarily of three types: cache memory, primary memory or main memory, and then the secondary memory. First is the cache memory. This is a very high-speed semiconductor memory which can speed up the process of CPU. It acts as a buffer between the CPU and the main memory. It also holds those parts of data and program which are most frequently used by the CPU. The characteristics of cache memory are: it is faster than the main memory, that is discussed in the next slide. It stores data for temporary use. Cache memory has only a limited capacity. Next is the primary memory or main memory. It has two subcategories, RAM and ROM. First is the random access memory, that is RAM. It is also called read-write memory. The programs and the data that the CPU requests during the execution of a program are stored in this type of memory. It is a volatile memory, that is, the data is lost when the power is turned off. Then the next subcategory in the main memory is read-only memory. This stores crucial information, that is information like which is essential to boot the computer, and this type of memory is non-volatile, that is, it always retains its data. Next is the secondary memory. This type of memory is an external memory, or in this also is non-volatile. This is used for storing data or information permanently. CPU cannot access these memories directly. The contents of the secondary memories are first transferred to the main memory and then the CPU accesses it. For example, this type of memory SARS, a disk, CD, ROM, DVD, etc. Characteristics of secondary memory are: this is a backup memory and it can be stored, the data is permanently stored even if the power is switched off. And then it is used for the storage of data in a computer. Computer may run without the secondary memory, but the computer cannot run without the main memory. These are slower than the primary memories. That's all.